In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the app location in Microsoft Store. If you've ever installed an app or game from the Microsoft Store and wanted to find out exactly where its files are stored on your computer, this is a quick and easy way to do it. We'll be using Task Manager to jump directly to the apps folder, which saves time compared to manually searching through Windows directories. To begin, open the specific Microsoft Store app or game that you want to locate. Make sure it's actually running, because Windows needs the app to be active in order for it to appear in Task Manager. Once the app is open, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. This will open Task Manager right away. If Task Manager opens in a compact view, switch to the full view so you can see all the tabs and running processes clearly. Next, go to the Processes tab and look for the app you just launched. Depending on the app, it may appear under Apps or in another section of the process list, so take a moment to scan through carefully. When you find it, click the small arrow next to the app name to expand it. This will show the related sub-processes running underneath it. From there, right-click the app's main sub-process and choose Open File Location. As soon as you do that, File Explorer will open automatically, and it will take you straight to the folder where that app's files are stored. This is especially useful if you want to inspect the installation directory, troubleshoot a file-related issue, or simply confirm where the app is located on your system. That's all there is to it. With the app running and a quick visit to Task Manager, you can jump directly to the Microsoft Store app location in just a few